Let's get it. It's the wrong one. Yep. Major bummer. This was a back order. I ordered the full splitter that goes under the engine bay, which should cover all of this. And I got sent the chin splitter. But the company I'm doing with right now, Industry Finest, fucking amazing customer service. And they're shipping me the right order ASAP. Thanks, guys. Since we have this, let me just show you this real quick. DevSport pump splitter. Support rods, winglets, all the necessary hardware, I hope. And these are the edge guards, little rubber edge guards. Let's try this again. Second package, the next day. Let's try this one again. Ah, what the f, man? Oh, man. Let's try this again for the third time. You open it.
2, 3.
Yeah. Voila. What we have here is a 2006 311 DevSport front wind splitter. The reason I already opened this up just to make sure it was the right one. Reason being, I had one shipped over here. It was for someone else, which was a chin splitter. It's just half of that. Then I had my original package showed up, same thing, wrong splitter. It's cool though. Customer service was totally cool. And again, they're moving from warehouse to another warehouse, and shit happens. Whatever, but it's here. I went ahead and ordered the side winglets with all the hardware, which is pretty good. Also went ahead and ordered the support rods. I already opened these. I was just curious because when I saw this, I knew you could extend them. They look pretty short, and of course you could extend them, but that works. And then I got the edge block, or the edge guard, whatever you want to call it. I wasn't expecting this, but that's cool. What I did like is this hardware has the locking nuts, which is so cool because my car vibrates like hell. That's definitely a plus. Whoa, sucker's long. Perfect timing. I'm just installing the front splitter, and these are DevSport. Stay open. Side splitters. Let me unwrap these, and I'll get back to you. Well, here they are, the DevSport side splitters, or wind splitters, splitters. Same thing as the front splitter. Necessary hardware. These are screws, the washers, and then your edge guards. Pretty simple. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes. I have side skirts, so I kind of don't want to drill into my side skirts because they're original HFP, which I believe I discontinued, but we'll see. We'll make this work. I'm in the process of putting the front splitter right now. There's one of the support rods already installed, fully bolted up, adjusted, and drilled. Had to use a Dremel and notch it out right here just to make clearance for the nut and washers. Not too bad. Splitter's installed. I'm having a fitment issue. Yeah, that gap. I have a major gap on this side. It is hitting right on the hook, and it does not seem to budge. Does not want to go any further back. Kind of sucks, but I might have to trim. I'm gonna have to trim some shit off right here. Damn it. Same thing on the other side. So I might just do a straight line, just follow the path. Well, let's see. I mess with it a little more, but that's what it seems like I'm gonna have to do. Take 2. Take 9, 10. I don't know if you could tell, but let's see if I can get it. Alright. Oh shit. Right here. Still freaking hitting. There's a subframe. There's a splitter. See that shit? Focus. And that's when we have a fucking gap band playing. Well, I finally made it fit. I had to do a couple of modifications to it. I am gonna have to purchase a new bumper. I'm gonna do a new lip, a new grill. Had to add some new bumper release because to run these 235s and lower it a little bit, I had to modify some brackets down there, causing a little bit of a gap. Not too happy with it. Still have to install the side splitters. I'll do that some other day. It's Halloween. Spend some time with my wife. But what's on there, man? Car's dirty, but it's alright. Right now, I'm about to install these side splitters. DevSport side splitters, but I am gonna have to record this off my iPhone. I've been using my Canon, but for some reason whenever I go to upload it on my laptop, it's not reading it. So all this footage will be off my iPhone, whatever. See how this goes. It's pretty simple. It's about 5 or 6 pre-drilled holes. I do have HFP side skirts. I did not want to drill into them, but looks like that's the way it's gonna have to be done. See how this goes. Trying to do this really quick. Try not to record as much, but we'll see how much I get on footage. Here goes nothing. Bullshit. This is the original hardware they gave us. It's the screws with the washer. That obviously didn't work. It just drilled in, spin, and that did not feel secure. So now I have 2 washers and a nut on this bolt. So, and it is on there. Really secured. More confident with that. Finish this up. Mission complete. Gotta use a screw on this last one right here because the original side skirts have 2 screws right here, and if I would have taken out the 2 screws then screwed this up, there was no way I would be able to screw up the side skirt. So I just like fully send the whole screw. The rest are nuts and bolts. Pretty fucking sturdy, I gotta say. All I gotta do is just add the winglets right here. These were initially for the front, but as you can see with the HFP lid, there's no room for the winglets. So I'm gonna just add them on the side skirts, which they do sell these for the side skirts, but they're the same shit. Might as well use them side bottom. Hardware for the winglets. It's just like an L bracket, which is cool again. Locking nuts. So let's go like that. I'm assuming like that or the back. Yeah, probably. No, we'll see. We'll figure this out. I already have the L brackets mounted, not tight. And I already got it marked up right here. And it's gonna look something like that. Let's do this before. After. Can't really see it that much from the sides, but definitely see it from the front. Passenger side's complete. The edge, the trimming's already installed. That's somewhat of a pain in the ass. Honestly, that takes longer than doing the whole install itself. Other than that, I'm pretty satisfied with the looks. I was really worried of how far this is gonna extend out, especially when you have a passenger or yourself coming out. When you step out, you're not gonna really hit it. It's not too bad. And here is the finished product. Still growing on me, but we'll see. Give it a shot for a while. Try to put the splitter as far back in as possible.